Hi Tesla fans, I'm Ellie with Sportline, and I am really excited to share with you today the world's first video, our official unveiling of our long-awaited gloss carbon fiber sports package for the Model 3. Let me walk you through it and share with you exactly what we did. Starting off with the front bumper, the lower apron area. All gloss carbon fiber, some nice sporty design elements, accentuates the front end just a little bit, but still keeping it appropriate for the Model 3. And then my favorite part, the side skirts are also known as rocker panels. One massive piece of gloss carbon fiber. This is the real deal. Very sporty. I love the contrast against the pearl white color. And then as we move to the back, we've got our executive style gloss carbon fiber wing and also a new lower rear diffuser. So the rear diffuser right now on the Model 3 actually has some plastic, some black plastic trim. This is actually real carbon fiber, gives it a little design, and also I think an overall better look. What really enhances this car that you're seeing here are some of the other treatments that we did to it. Starting off with the chrome delete. We used gloss black film from 3M and we wrapped all the chrome trim, as you can see, no more chrome. And then our TST wheels, 20-inch gloss black wheels, perfect fit for the Model 3. This is a performance car, so we used the performance tires that came with it. It is a perfect fit. So mounting hardware, tire pressure sensors, even the lug nuts. You get to use all that comes with your Model 3 performance, but you could change it out to our TST wheels. Anyway, I hope you guys really like this. I think this car is awesome. This is definitely a world's first. Thank you again for watching all of our videos. We really appreciate it. If you don't subscribe already, please do. There are so much more exciting projects coming your way soon.